This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the Premier Trade Market Wrap. This is the Market Wrap on a Friday. I'm Jack Lott, and this is the James Dix Financial Network. Personal incomes rose 1.9% in May, while real disposable incomes increased 5.3%. Consumer spending, meantime, rose 0.8% in May. The core personal consumption expenditures, the PCE price index for May, rose by 0.1%. That against forecast for a 0.2% increase, keeping the year-over-year increase at 2.1%. And the consumer sentiment index fell to 56.4 in June, that from 59.6 in May and 56.6 in mid-June. It's the lowest since 1980 and the third lowest reading in the 56-year history of the survey. Bank of America said it will cut about 7,500 jobs after buying Countrywide Financial. The purchase is expected to be completed July 1st. That's next week, by the way. Toyota Motor Corporation may implement a broad price hike for cars and trucks sold in Japan, this to help offset surging prices for steel and other materials. Discover Financial Services reporting a 12% jump in second quarter profit, but the company said it expects higher charge-offs later in the year, adding to concerns about the credit card industry a day after American Express warned of a deteriorating environment. And American International Group said it plans to absorb up to $5 billion on losses of sales of investments from a dozen insurance units that were hit by the subprime meltdown. Economic reports out next week include the Chicago PMI, the ISM Manufacturing and Services Index, construction spending, motor vehicle sales, the ADP employment report, factory orders, and the big one at next Friday, the non-farm payrolls and the unemployment rate. Earnings today, KB Homes reporting a second quarter loss of $255.9 million. That's $3.30 a share compared with $1.93 a share in the year-ago period. Steelcase predicting second quarter revenue growing 3 to 7% over the year-ago revenue of $825 million, implying revenue of $850 million to $883 million. Analysts expected $831. And As Inc. said that its net income for quarter climbed to $10.1 million. That's 82 cents a share. Analysts expected 54 cents a share. Earnings next week include H&R Block, Bassett Furniture, Eagle Broadband, and Nissan. Schnitzer Steel, Acuity Brands, Family Dollar Stores. Alcoa will begin the second quarter earnings season when it reports its earnings after the closing bell. That comes up on July 9th. Stocks in the news today. Disney was upgraded by Fitch on the company's leading market position and strong cash flow. Cinex Corporation said its fiscal second quarter profit jumped 26%, and Palm reporting a loss for its fiscal fourth quarter as revenue fell by 26% on slowing sales of many of its smartphone lines. And that is the Market Wrap on a Friday. I'm Jack Lott here on the James Dix Financial Network.